Are you looking to get started in woodworking? I'm here to give you 5 tips to begin woodworking. Here we go.
Here is a basic set of tools similar to what I started with. I had saws, clamps, square, some sandpaper, and glue. These are basic things that you will need to get started. You don't have to have the best tools, it's just how you use your tools. So get started. With tools, you can create some amazing projects, but they can really do some damage to you if you aren't careful. So you definitely need hearing protection. Sometimes you'll need a mask. Gloves, definitely eye glasses. Sometimes you'll need some band-aids, definitely some towels, you'll make some messes. And of course, you want to have a fire extinguisher just in case. The next thing you'll need is a workspace. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. Here's mine, small little garage shop. See, it's not very clean because I got 3 projects going on, but you just need a workbench and someplace to build your projects. No big deal. To me, the next step is the most important tip, and that is education. You obviously need to learn how your tools work, but what's more important is learning what you can do with those tools. I read a lot of books. As you can see here, here's a small sampling, but there's also magazines, there's social media, obviously YouTube. Go educate yourself on what you can do with your tools. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can start making some amazing projects.
And the 5th tip for beginning woodworking is go out and make boxes. This is one of my first boxes. It's terrible, but you know what? I made a box. I went out and I made a box. I learned how to do a miter joint and I learned how to do splines. The boxes are in everything. They're in bookcases, they're in cabinets, they're in end tables. If you know how to make a box, you can make so many things. And you learn how to do the edges. This one has like a box joint, and this is a box that folds with games for our family game night. Inside of it, more boxes. This is a box with the, I learned how to do hinges, put the lid on. But I had to make a drawer. Drawers are boxed. My first ever set of dovetails. They're disgusting, but you know what? I made dovetails. Now I can make pretty good dovetails, but I couldn't then. I wouldn't have learned without practice. Make boxes. You learn how to make all the joints. You learn the style of boxes. You learn how to measure. Boxes are a great thing to begin with, and who can't use a box? I've sold most of mine. I just kept these because I needed them. Most boxes I make, I've sold. Everybody needs a box to hold their junk. Go out, practice making boxes.
If you're interested in purchasing some of the items described in this video, I will link them in the description below. And if you do purchase, I will get some sort of commission from most of those. And just to be upfront, but I really do appreciate it. It helps out the channel a lot. If not, but you do like the content you saw here, please subscribe for more and watch the next video.